SVR. SVR, WWG SVR.
The wind was southwest at 12
Mercer.
miles an hour.
Uh-oh.
The pressure was 29. Northeastern Mercer County in northwestern Pennsylvania, western Venango County in northwestern Pennsylvania, until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:51 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles east of Greenville, or 13 miles northeast of Hermitage, moving at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Franklin, Cedar Creek, Stonna Oil, Polk, Sandy Lake, Fredonia, Cooperstown, Kennerville, Utica, New Lebanon, Sheakleyville, and Morris K. Goddard State Park. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds. Report severe weather to your nearest law enforcement agency or the National Weather Service office in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Mercer and Venango.
Hold up a
This
sec.
is NOAA Weather Radio WWG56 originating from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Cleveland. We supply the latest available information for the Mahoning Valley over station WWG56 from Youngstown on a frequency of 162.500 megahertz. The forecast for the Mahoning Valley. Tonight, showers with thunderstorms likely this evening, then showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms after midnight. Lows in the lower 50s. Northwest wind 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain 90%.
My fucking, I saw this thing activate for an unrecognized warning. Unrecognized warning.